We'll guide you through how to transfer files from an iPad to an external drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can then go and have a backup of them on here and also go and free up the space on the iPad. So to get started, let's connect this. Depending upon the drive, you may be able to go and plug it straight into the iPad. In this case, I'll need an adapter. I'll go and link some different adapters down below. This iPad is a USB-C iPad, so I've got a USB-C to USB adapter. After we've got everything connected, go and open up the Files app. You'll find that here, and then what you can do to the left is go and find the drive. You should see the drive in Locations. Press Select in the top right, and you can then go and select the files you wish to go and transfer. Press the Move button at the bottom, and you can then go and select the drive. Press Copy in the top right. You can come back and then select the ones you went and moved, and we can then go and delete them. Press Select in the top right again and select the ones you moved, and you can then go and delete them from the iPad. Now for photos and videos, open the Photos app up, press Select in the top right and select the ones you want to do this with. Press the Share button in the bottom left, scroll down and you can press Save to Files, and you can then go and select the drive on the left and press Save in the top right. Come back here, select the ones you went and copied and saved, and you can then go and press the Delete button in the bottom right and delete them. Leave a like if you found this useful.